Hello from Stuttgart. It's Monday, the 31st January 2022, and I will start today another episode of Mint.
Mint, Material Innovation Nanotechnology Talk. Yip, 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 yip.
So what's new? Okay, obviously I need a comp, but this is not the topic of our today's emission. I like to give a feedback about our steel seminar last week, which was, from my point of view, quite a success. And I like to talk about recycling. But first, let me check out the BGG. So the temperature in Stuttgart rose almost by 10 degrees. It's 4 degrees plus and windy. And the number of my followers rose by 1. So thank you very much for joining me. And Bill Gates rose his number by followers by 200,000. So this means that still it's a race which is open, which I will probably never win. So last week we had the Expertenforum Stahl. So probably you can recall the event. So this is the event. We had more than 100 guests joining our seminar, and it was really interesting. So it was really a big fun to listen to the speakers, yeah. So which I think the conference was about 2.5 hours, and the time flew by like nothing. We talked about the progress of the development of steel in the automotive sector, how it was getting stronger and stronger and stronger, and as a result, you've been able to build cars more light. We talked about the corrosion protection properties of coatings and the importance of these coatings. We talked about corrosion itself and about the usage of artificial intelligence in the field of steel production, which was really a good thing. But there was one thing everybody agreed to. So it's crystal clear we have to reduce CO2, which is one of our major challenges, what we do. And as a result, we have to reuse materials and reuse energy if possible. But the one thing is recycling, which is very important. There was an interesting point. We used to use the best neat raw material what we have and unlimited resources for energy to produce the best steel or polymers or whatever. But in the future, we will be asked to use energy from volatile sources and to reuse steel. So this means that the input will be much more complex. So we have material which is not homogeneous, so which is quite a volatile, and we have power which is volatile. And this is one of the major challenges what we have to face. And maybe artificial intelligence can be a help on this. But I remember one thing. At Nanotech 2000 something, we displayed our idea of EcoTouch, where we used recycled PET to develop new touch displays, which was innovative. EcoTouch 2 was the idea to use recycled PET and carbon nanotubes to making advanced applications for communication technology, and we made it. And this will be the topic of my talk of next week, where will I go into detail into EcoTouch 1, EcoTouch 2 and EcoTouch 3. So have fun and have a great week. Bye bye.
Mint, Material Innovation Nanotechnology Talk. Yip, 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 yip.